Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to convert a name tuple to a dictionary. Here is the name tuple called person. Then we are having the fields, or let's say the elements. The fields are name, age, and city. After that, we are creating an instance of the person named tuple, and the instance has this information: Alice, which is the name, 30, which is the age, and then the New York, which is the city. Okay, now we created our instance, and now we would like to convert this to a dictionary. In order to do that, we simply write down the instance name dot underscore ASDICT, this code, underscore ASDIC, with empty parentheses, and assign it to a new variable name, for example, person dictionary. Okay. Basically, this function that we're talking about here returns an ordered dictionary where field names that are name, age, and city are keys, and values that we're having here are from the named tuple. Okay, so basically what it is going to do is the following. It is going to have, for example, name. It is going to have name Alice. Okay, then we are going to have age 30. Then we are going to have city, and then New York. Okay, so we see that as we defined here, the fields in our name tuple that are name, age, and city are keys in our dictionary name, age, and city. And these name tuple information are our values here. You see, Alice is the value for the name key, 30 is the value for the age key, and also New York is the value for the city key. So this function is going to do this for us. Convert the name tuple instance to a dictionary using this function. And simply we are going to print person dictionary, and when I run this code, we exactly see what we expected here. We see that name, age, and city, the fields of our name tuple, are the keys in this dictionary, and then the values are Alice, 30, and New York. Actually, this function is a built-in function in Python for named tuple instances. And basically, this method is useful when we need a dictionary-based data access. In order to have a dictionary-based data access, we are going to convert the named tuple instance to a dictionary simply using this function. Thank you for watching.